Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. It's Chinese New Year very soon, so there's one very famous must-have dish during Chinese New Year reunion dinner, which is teochew style steamed fish. Okay, so Appa is going to make teochew style steamed fish, and the first thing I'm going to tell you is Appa is actually a teochew. Okay, for those who are interested to know. Anyway, okay, so I have one very fresh snapper fish with me. So now make sure your fish is very fresh. Then only you use it for steam. If not, you better just fry it. Okay. If there's a little bit of bau or smelliness, you better just fry. So this is actually a very fresh snapper, and you need to wash the fish thoroughly, nicely, and of course I get the fishmonger to descale for me and also to degut. Yeah. So the next thing after that is you want to. Hey, I think my helper forgot to wash this middle part here. Let me show you. Okay, so this is the cavity of a fish, and you're going to see some blood inside here. Okay, I can remove this membrane. See, can you see some blood underneath? Okay, all this dark color blood here is actually the fish kidney, and this will be the source of fishiness. So what you will normally have to do is to remove this whole membrane, and also to use a toothbrush to totally wash away the blood here totally. Okay, let me wash it right now. Okay, I'm not showing my fish washing just now because the last time I showed how I wash a fish under running water. Appa made so many environmentalists scolded Appa for wasting water. So I'm not going to show it. Okay, you just have to imagine it. I use a knife to remove the membrane in the middle, and then use a toothbrush to brush away the middle blood. Okay, the blood in the center, which is the source of the fishiness. You must remove this. If not, your steamed fish, the dish will be smelly. Okay, remove that. And then I will cut few slits on the body of the fish. Okay, and also will marinate it with a little bit of salt. All right. Now let's move on to the ingredient. No, let me steam the fish first. Then only we discuss about the ingredient. Okay. I have one boiling pot of water here with full of steam. Be careful of the steam, yeah, on your hand, because it is extremely hot. It will burn you. Okay. So every time you open the lid, you will let the steam to go away, to escape a little bit. Then only you put the fish inside. Okay. I'm going to put the fish here and let it steam under high heat for about 3 to 4 minutes. The whole fish I will take probably about 8 to 10 minutes. You will know why I will do it in 2 stages. Okay, so I'll let it steam for about 3 minutes. After that, we will come back shortly. Okay, while waiting for the fish to steam for the first 3 minutes to get rid of the fishy water, I'm going to show you what are the ingredients that we need for teochew steam. Okay, most important is this one should be custard green. Okay, this is actually the salted custard green. Okay, so the sourish and the saltiness actually will come from here, especially the sourish flavor. And this will be the shitake mushroom. Okay, I have few slices of shitake mushroom soaked until it is softened. And don't forget, you must remove the middle stem. Okay, that is very hard. That cannot be eaten. Take it out. If you are cooking a soup, you can use that stem to boil the soup also. It's very flavorful. And then I have one tomato cut into dice. I have one tofu, okay, normal traditional tofu. I have few slices of red chili, few slices of ginger, And then this is some fresh coriander, okay? And this is something many people forget to put into their teochew steam. This is actually pork belly. And this is even better because I have some leftover roast pork. We have a lot of roast pork, leftover roast pork for Chinese New Year, okay? So use roast pork to steam your fish, which that is going to really bring out the flavor. Other than the roast pork, okay, if you don't have roast pork, you can use normal pork belly. We want the fat. We want pork fat, okay? And then this is also some of the fried pork lard, okay? Optional. Basically, you have pork. If you have roast pork, it's good enough. Okay, this is actually extra for pork lard. And this is, of course, a chicken stock. So all this will give your teochew steam extremely flavorful broth. You can eat the fish, you can eat the ingredient, you can drink up all the soup. Yeah, very, very nice. All right, so let's wait. We still got about 47 seconds until the first 3 minutes. Okay, I'm going to take out the fish shortly. Okay, this is the first 3 minutes. Yeah, I'll take it out. Look at all this fishy water that comes out for the fish. Yeah. So these are also the source of fishiness. We want to remove that. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to be careful. The moment you take out the lid, don't put your hand on top here. It's going to be very hot. Then I'm going to take out the plate and slowly move my fish over to another real steaming plate. All right. Okay. So let's quickly. I put few slices of ginger underneath here. Okay, and then put my fish on top. Okay. See all this fishy water we don't want. Put it back here. So I'm going to put on top some of my ginger. And a bit of ginger inside the fish cavity. Alright. And then I'm just going to decorate. Let me adjust the angle for you a bit. Let me see if I can zoom in. Okay, this is better. Oh, forgot to off my light. Okay, so my tofu. All right. The mushroom. My steamer is still boiling, yeah, waiting for this fish to go over. Second round, to have a second round of sauna. All right. Okay. After putting the mushroom, let me adjust. I'm going to put in my roast pork. Okay. Put evenly roast pork. Alright, and then my pork lard. This is optional. If you have it, put it in. If you don't have it, it's okay, don't worry. You already put in the pork lard, which is good enough. Okay, and then my tomato. So you can imagine the natural souriness from this dish is so beautiful. Okay, I'm going to put in my tomato juice as well. Okay, and then last but not least, the mustard green, yeah, salted mustard green. Right. I'm going to put in some red chili, probably a little bit for decoration later. I'm going to put in a little bit of fresh coriander right now, and leave the rest towards the end for garnishing. It already looks so beautiful, isn't it? And then, not forgetting, I'm now going to pour in the chicken stock. Ooh, this is going to be a beautiful dish. Okay, and we're going to season this a little bit. Where's my salt? Okay, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of salt on top. Just a little bit. And few dashes of white pepper. I'm going to put some garlic oil on top also towards the end. Okay, so now I'm going to move the fish back. Going to move the fish back to my steamer. Okay. Be careful with the heat, yeah? Slowly, do it slowly, slowly. Don't rush. When you are cooking, don't rush. You don't want to hurt yourself. Okay, put the fish back in. Wow, beautiful color. Let me take a photo first. Okay, and then I'm going to close the lid and let it continue steam for about 5-6 minutes. Okay, because this fish is not very big. Okay, total cooking time should be between 8 to 10 minutes. All right. So we will come back after about 6 minutes or so. Okay, this is after another 6 minutes under high heat. Ooh, everything looks very nice. Let me check to see whether my fish has been fully cooked or not. Use something sharp to poke. Okay, I think you probably need about a minute or two more, because if you couldn't get through the meat, meaning it is not fully cooked yet. Okay, let's give it another minute or two. Okay, this is after another final 2 minutes. My fish everything is definitely fully cooked by now. Total steaming time for this 500-gram fish is somewhere around 10 minutes, 11 minutes. It could be slightly longer because just now in the middle, remember, I actually take it out once, all right? So, like I said, be careful with the steam here. It's very hot. When the steam started to escape, then only you slowly take out the fish carefully. Okay. Okay, so we have some final steps here. Let's give it some my red chili. This is the fresh coriander. Okay, and I would like to put a bit of garlic, fried garlic. This is optional because Appa is a garlic person, but it's actually optional. Okay, and then some garlic oil on top. Right. Okay, there you go. So here's Appa's teochew steamed fish. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Happy reunion dinner with your family. Bye bye. 恭喜發財.